Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can create a partition in Windows 11 and Windows 10. So to do that, all we need to do is just to open the run window, and we can do that by simply pressing in your keyboard the Windows R key altogether, or you can just make a right click here in the Windows icon and then go click this run button here. Okay, so once this run window is already open, all we need to do is just to type disk mgmt.msc. Again, it's disk mgmt.msc. Now, once done typing, just click on enter or OK. And once you do that, you will see this disk management window coming up. So as you can see here, I have already local disk C, which is my main drive, and I have also here the new volume D. So what I am going to do here is to create another partition just like this one from our main drive. So how can we do that? All we need to do is just to select your C drive or main drive and then make a right click and then click on this shrink volume option here. Once you do that, you will be seeing this querying shrink space, so querying volume for available shrink space. So please just wait for a little moment. As you can see here, we are now done. So if you plan to make a new drive or new partition that is 10 gigabytes, then all you need to do is just to type here 10,000 because 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024. So to make a partition that is almost 10 gigabytes, then you must enter a value of 10,000. So here I'll be making or I'll be entering 10,000. And once you do that, you will just click on this shrink button, and then just wait for the partition to be made or created. So as you can see here, I have almost 10 gigabytes, which is 9.77 unallocated space. All I need to do is to make a right click on it, and then if you see this new simple volume option here, please click on that. And then once you do that, you will be able to see a new window. So please click on next. And you don't have to change anything here. Just click on next. So for this one, you can assign the following drive letter, or you can assign a drive letter with whatever letter you want. Since I have here already D, then I'll just leave it as E and then click on next. And then please make sure that for the file system, you have chosen the NTFS option. And if you don't choose this one, or if it is not chosen yet, just click this drop down button here and then click on this NTFS. Once done, click on next and then click on finish. Once you do that, you will see that you have now already created a new volume E. And let us check in our file explorer if we have really the E. So let me just go to this PC. So as you can see here, we have the new volume E. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.